Good morning. Haven't done this in ages. We're going to go for a coffee run. Today we're going to go up to Taralga, a little town north of Goulburn. It's about 264 kilometres away. Should be a good run. We've got Mark riding Anita's Tracer 700, and Anita's on her gorgeous Street Triple. So should be a lot of fun. We might get a little wet. Don't know what the weather's going to be like. But this is a good loop. Got some good roads up towards Taralga and down towards Crookwell. Should be a lot of fun. Take care. Talk soon. Okay, ready? Let's ride. So I haven't done one of these coffee rides in ages, through a variety of reasons, but at least I'm out again now, so it should be a good day. This is a bit of a warm-up. We're going on a major ride in a few weeks to the mouth of the Murray and back again, which will be an 8-day ride, so this is a bit of a warm-up. It looks like a good day, plenty of motorbikes out on the road. It's a very familiar road to us, but it's quite nice once you get past Goulburn. The traffic should drop and it's got some lovely curves. And haven't been to the coffee shop at Taralga before, so it should be interesting. Should be a great day. Okay, just coming into Goulburn. There's a bit of traffic on that road. I'll probably take more video on the road between Goulburn and Taralga. It's much more interesting. But so far no rain, which is good. Great day. So if you keep heading north on this road, it'll take you all the way up to Wombian Caves and Oberon, and if you want to turn off to the right to Janolan Caves. So it's a great road, this outstanding motorcycle road, great curves, hardly any traffic. Might be a bit of traffic coming up to Taralga, but being the weekend, but it's a I think one of the great rides of this area. Should be fun. Okay, that was a wonderful coffee at the cafe here at Taralga. So we're off back home now. Go via Crookwell and Gunning. Should be a great ride. Weather looks great. Off we go. We'll follow Anita. Probably lose sight of her. Wicked bike, the street triple. Just absolutely flies. Okay, back into Crookwell. That road, that Laggan Taralga road, is just magnificent. It's just gorgeous, good surface, fantastic windy bits to it. Real fun road. Great coffee shop up there as well. So here's Anita, waiting for us patiently. Okay, back to Sutton. We might drop into the baker for a coffee. What a fabulous ride. Outstanding little cafe at Taralga. Great food, great coffee. Magnificent roads. The road from Goulburn up to Taralga was fun, but certainly the outstanding road was between Taralga and Laggan. Just really fast sweeps, super good surface, altitude changes, no traffic. It was absolute fun. So great day, good to be back on the bike. Talk soon, better rides to come. Bye.